You got a Yamaha YSR 50, can't get spark. Here's a real simple evaluation of things. This was a basket case. Got it from my neighbor. He's had it for 20 plus years, maybe, sitting in his garage. Totally stripped down from the previous owner. They used to road race down at Barber's in Alabama. So here's the gist of it. I'm not going to waste your time. If you want to make a small motor like this crank, if it has a battery and it's an older one, it doesn't need the battery to run. This is an old 6-volt system. You have this is your power generator for your lighting and your battery and for your engine spark. Most of these motors like this, they don't have power going to a battery. They just have the ignition. So you're going to follow this wiring harness that comes out of the motor. Alright, here we are. We're going to come right back. And we have 4 wires. We have a red right here. We have a white with a red stripe right here. We have a brown in this case and a black. One is the power, the electricity that goes through your CDI box and eventually ends up at your coil. Your coil, once this flywheel turns and a signal bar touches a little magnetic sensor, it tells the coil we're ready to spark. The piston is at the point of its rotation. You need to spark, and it sparks. All right. So sometimes we're not trying to do a restoration or whatever. We're just trying to get spark. We just want to hear the thing run, right? So on the YSR, hook up your 4 main wires that come out of your engine that are these particular colors, whatever colors they are. And if you have the correct CDI, you're going to hook up the same color on the CDI to the same color coming out of the motor. All right. Now you have 2 extra wires over here. Get those 4 that come out of the motor hooked up. Now you have 2 more. This black with a white stripe, it's going to be your kill switch wire. It introduces a ground to the signal switch in your CDI control. It kills the spark, the signal for the spark, before it gets to your coil, and your coil won't spark. That's why you can turn this key off. It introduces a ground to your CDI, which cancels the electricity that this is generating. All right. Same thing with your toggle, on-off toggle switch. All you're doing is introducing a ground through these other wires, black and white striped, generally, to your CDI to kill the signal. Now, this orange wire from your CDI, so let's go back. You got your 4 wires that come out of the motor. They go in the CDI. So they're introducing energy into the CDI. They're introducing a signal of when to spark into the CDI, and the CDI is pre-programmed to tell the other components what to do. And this white and black wire, it is a way to introduce a ground through a kill switch or a key switch to kill the power. The orange wire right here, don't hook it into your harness. Just hook it directly from the CDI to your coil. Cut out all the middlemen in this harness. Okay, and generally I'll also go through here and so here's a kill switch and a power wire that run to the toggle switch. When I'm troubleshooting, I'm going to unhook the black with white stripe. I'm just going to unhook it. That way no ground can be accidentally introduced if this switch is bad or faulty. Okay, same thing with the key switch. The key switch is just another It's just another black wire with a red stripe. They all join together and they come out as little pigtails. This is called a pigtail. It's just got either a female or the male spade plug on the end, and that's how you join them. Anyway, so I'm just going to take my little drill here with my 17 millimeter, and look what happens when we just Alright, now let's turn the key switch off. Did you see that one little spark and that was it? That was the discharge that was left in the coil or whatever. But now I've turned the key back on, and now we'll get full continuity. So there it is. If you want your YSR to crank and it's not getting spark, make sure you just go back to the basics. Go back to the basics. The 4 main wires from the CDI and the motor should all match. The orange wire, just run it directly to your coil instead of through your harness. And if you want a kill switch, just to check things, leave it unhooked first till you get spark, and then hook it up to whichever kill switch you want to check. And you can check your kill switch to make sure it's good with an ohm meter. And if you don't know how to do that, you need to watch a YouTube video, do some Googling on how ohm meters work. Okay? Hope this helps somebody.